Hello, brother. This is Gary from China. Today we are shipping some machines to India. Okay. Since last year, the customer started produce US cable. Now they are going to buy more machines to improve the production capacity. Okay. This time we prepared for soldering machine, and some soldering machine for the normal cable, and also this machine I want to especially introduce to you. Okay, this one is for the in China we see this machine high frequency soldering machine. This one is for the HDMI cable, like the USB 3.0, 3.01. Use this one high frequency soldering machine for the HDMI cable. Okay, like this. Except the automatic soldering machine, we also prepare the semi soldering machine for customers. They use for the 3-in-1 connector, okay, and the 5-pin connector. They can use this version. And this one is the PD cable, 5-pin PD cable and the PD connectors. This soldering injection machine and the injection raw material, TPE material and the PE material, okay. This one are the wire cutting and soldering machine and bending machine like this. Okay, this one is the air compressor. Okay, made in China, high quality version with the tank. The customer also imported from China. Okay. Okay, brother, if you have any machine request, can contact us anytime, okay? Thank you. 可以了，打包了。